Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. In today's video, I am showing you how I make my iced coffee at home when I am on the keto diet. I am not always on the keto diet. I am not right now currently, but I have been on keto for a couple of months at one point and I saw really great results. And so even now, my boyfriend Bo and I will have keto meals and we'll kind of go on like different weeks of being on the keto diet and we see really good results. So it's not for everybody, but it is something that I really enjoy. In case you're not familiar with what keto is, it is a diet where you eat high healthy fats, medium protein, low carbs, and no to low sugar. I will have all of the ingredients linked in the description box below, as well as other alternatives that you can use to swap things out. So before we get started, I wanted to share with you the type of coffee that I'll be using. So I recently switched over to Sigmatic coffee. It is vegan, it is keto, it is 0 grams of sugar. It is made with ingredients like mushrooms and ashwagandha. It's not magic mushrooms, you're not gonna hallucinate or anything. It's just really healthy, all natural and organic coffee. It is said that it's supposed to help brain function, and I'm not exactly sure what that means, but I feel like it happens. Like, I don't get jittery or tired late in the afternoon or anything, and it tastes so much better. It tastes really clean. And so since this is a keto recipe, I for sure am using this because it is just clean, natural ingredients. I will have a link down below that will take you to the Sigmatic website where you can purchase coffee. It is an affiliate link, so I do earn a commission if you shop through it, but my opinion is still my own. I am really happy with Sigmatic and I really do think you should try it. This recipe is gonna be pretty short and straight to the point, but I hope that you still enjoy. With all that being said, let's get into today's video. Okay, so this is my frother, and basically how it works is it comes with this little attachment and that'll go in here. It just hooks on right there, and then you can fill to the minimum or the maximum line with the frother in it. But if you want to just heat or cool your milk, you can fill it all the way up to that maximum line. But basically you can heat your milk while it froths, or you can cool your milk while it froths. So since this is an iced drink, we're gonna do the cold foam setting. I love this frother. I do get it from Amazon. It usually fluctuates its price, but it stays around $40, and I will have it linked in the description. So we're gonna start off with our heavy whipping cream. You can also use half and half or any other type of milk. This milk is just good for keto because it is full of fat. It'll keep you fuller for longer, and it is still good for you. And then we're also gonna use our brain octane oil. It's MCT oil, which is derived from coconut oil or palm oil, and it's just really healthy fat. And we're just gonna do a little bit because we don't want too much oil. And then for sweetener, I'm gonna use sugar-free vanilla. You can also use stevia or agave, sugar-free syrup. You can use pretty much anything you'd like. And then we're just gonna put the lid on and we're gonna hit the cold foam setting. So there it will froth for us, and we'll just wait until it's done. And then while that's gonna finish frothing, I'm gonna have my cup full of ice and I'm gonna add my cold brew to it. If you wanna learn how to make your own cold brew at home, you can follow along my recipe. I have an entire video here on my YouTube channel on how I make my cold brew. I'm just gonna pour that over ice about halfway. And then I like my coffee to be sweetened as well, just for some extra sweet. And so now our milk is done, so we can go ahead and take the lid off and pour it on top. All right, you guys, so that is the completed coffee. I did stir mine up and I continue stirring it as I'm drinking it. Because we made our own cold foam with the whipping cream, it will separate a little bit, just like kind of like the thick part gathering on top. So I just stir it as I'm drinking it and it's all good. All right, you guys, so that is my super easy, clean, keto iced coffee. I hope that you enjoyed it and try it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you do try it and what you think of it. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you next time.